Alright, so workbench list open mode controls how to open items in trees and lists using the mouse, if supported. For parents with children in trees, the setting will control if a single click expands the parent or a double click. Note that some trees and lists might choose to ignore this setting if it is not applicable. So by default, a single click does the job. So if I click some file, it's going to open the preview, and if I click some folder, it's going to expand or contract, right, or collapse. The other option is obviously double click, and if you do that, when you select the file here, it's not going to open, which means that you no longer have a preview of the file, and if you double click, you're going to open the file in an editor. And the same thing for folders. If you want to open this folder, you have to double click it and double click to collapse. So to me, this is very clear that the single click is most useful here, so that's what I'm going to leave it with.